Are you tired of your Warfare Cybertron S38 Springer constantly falling over like a drunken taxidermist on a Thursday morning? Well, I think I may have a solution for you, old chum. You will need a joint tightening solution for this. Personally, I use superglue, the brush type, for ease of application, but if you find other solutions like floor or nail polish to work better, feel free to use either of these. What you want to do is pull open the ankle tilt like so, 90 degrees, and no more. Then rotate the foot out to this angle. The reason you want to do this is to expose the part of the plastic that rubs up against the foot when transformed into robot mode. This is where you want to apply a very small amount of tightening solution. Only apply a small amount. As if you add too much, you risk locking up the joint entirely. I did this with my copy of Time to Turn Croc and it took 2 weeks to repair. Fellas, it ain't worth it. Now, if you muck it up and apply too much glue when it goes in the joints, don't worry. Just make sure to rotate the joints every 20 minutes for the first couple of hours. This will ensure they do not lock up fully. Make sure you use a small brush to apply to avoid this happening. This is why I personally prefer these superglue bottles over floor and nail polish. They come with the brush pre-installed. Now from here, do the same to the other side and wait 24 hours with the legs facing upwards so the glue may dry properly. Keep the backpack down so the toy sits easier on the table. Once it's done, hey pronto! You've now got a much sturdier Springer. Jolly good show. Now I'd better get back to that taxidermist. My baby maker isn't going to stuff herself now, is she? Also, don't forget to catch the thrilling 30 versus Siege WFC-S38 Springer review this Sunday. Tally-ho! You can also use this method to thicken up the knee tabs so the legs remain in place whilst maneuvering the knees.